Meesho, how a startup raised its valuation to $4.9 billion in less than 6 years. There is a reselling app in the market that allows literally everyone to open their online store with zero investment, and that app is Meesho. It has become a top-rated reselling app in India in the past few years. For your information, Meesho is also the first startup that Facebook invested an equity stake in. This year, Meesho achieved a few milestones. In 2021, the company generated 46.6 million in revenue with 3 million customers. And recently in October, Meesho became the most downloaded e-commerce app globally. Now it is all set to compete with the e-commerce giants like Flipkart and Amazon. But there's a huge difference in the business model of Meesho and e-commerce giants. Meesho is an Indian startup and it focuses on Indian women, so it doesn't follow a traditional e-commerce model. Hey guys, my name is Asta from PaperVideo. Today in this video, I will tell you everything about an excellent reseller startup, Meesho. So keep watching till the end. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Meesho was founded by two IIT Delhi graduates, Vidit Atre and Sanjeev Banwal in 2015. Meesho targeted the women in small towns and villages. The main aim of Meesho is to give people a sense of ownership, allowing them to open their online store. Meesho's full form, Meri Shop, conveys this message quickly. The reason behind Meesho's success is its unique approach. Meesho didn't target the metropolitan cities audience because other e-commerce companies like Myntra, Amazon and Flipkart are already doing that quite well. Meesho came up with a brand new idea. It decided to target the mothers of India who are willing to earn but don't understand where to begin. Meesho gave them a platform on their phones only, and somewhere Meesho has successfully achieved this target. Today, Meesho has 70% women resellers. I have mentioned the word reseller twice or thrice, and now you must be wondering what it truly means. Actually, reselling is selling the product by adding your own margin and earning the profit. Let's talk in Meesho's context. Number 1, Meesho connects with the manufacturer and seller for the product and lists their product on the Meesho platform. Number 2, then the reseller selects the product on Meesho, shares on Facebook, Instagram and other social networks. Number 3, if customers like the product, then they give the order to the reseller. After receiving the order, the reseller adds their profit margin on the product and places the order. In this entire process, Meesho also charges a commission amount. But that's not the only way Meesho earns. To understand the various ways of how Meesho generates revenue, let's deep dive into Meesho's revenue model. Meesho's revenue model is just like any other e-commerce company. It generates revenues in various ways, including number 1, commissions. Meesho makes the major part of its revenue from commissions on each sale. They charge 10 to 15% commission from sellers on every sale. Number 2, advertisement. They can purchase ads on Meesho and rank higher than your competitors as a seller. Advertisement is an excellent source of revenue for all startups today, and Meesho is no exception. Number 3, logistics. Meesho provides in-house logistics and delivery services to its sellers. By using the service, sellers save a lot of hassle while making good revenue. In 2019, Meesho earned 36 crore from shipping. Number 4, penalties. Whenever an order shipment gets late or is returned because of poor quality, Meesho applies a fine on the seller, and the startup earns approximately 2 crores from the penalty. Number 5, float money. Meesho holds the payment for 10 days before transferring it to the accounts of suppliers and resellers, and during those days, they can invest the amount in financial instrument and make revenue through returns or interest. Apart from all this, Meesho has raised a total of $1.1 billion in funding over 11 rounds. The funds are raised by various best companies like angels like YC, Facebook, which is well now Meta, Naspers, Sekina Capital, Shueni Capital, and SoftBank. After getting funding from SoftBank this year, Meesho became the first Indian social commerce startup to enter the Unicorn Club. However, many marketers cross-question the business model of Meesho because till 2020 it was not profiting. Still, it is getting funds from market giants like Facebook, SoftBank, and more. You might be thinking, why are they investing in the startup? So, it's not just about profit and loss. Currently, Meesho is in its initial days, and still it has such a large audience that it is now eligible to stand out against Amazon and Flipkart. The popularity of Meesho is growing very fast, and I've already told you how they are successfully reaching the target audience. Their aim is very clear, and I must say, they have got the nerve of their target audience. Their first campaign, Sahi Sahi Lagao, revolves around getting an average price of a product.
600 मिली है पटेल चौक और प्रीतम प्लाजा का चक्कर लगाया, फिर सदर बाजार और गदर बाजार का चक्कर लगाया, और पता है क्या?
तू चक्कर लगा।
सही सही लगा।
मीशो पे तो सही सही लगा है।
सही सही लगा।
मीशो सही सही लगा है।
Middle class Indians are very much familiar with the line "Sahi Sahi Lagao." And by using this concept and tagline in its first campaign, Meesho once again hit the right place. With such approaches, the social commerce platform has sold over 90 lakh products in more than 3,000 cities across India. Meesho has generated more than INR 5,000 crore income from its suppliers and customers. Right now, Meesho claims to have more than 13 million entrepreneurs on board. With such impressive figures and fundings, Meesho proves that no matter whether your startup is in profit or loss, a startup should aim to build customers and credibility in the initial stage. Now, you might have understood the business and revenue model of Meesho, but do you know the USP of Meesho is in its straightforward reselling process? If you want to earn, you can easily start an online business on Meesho, whether you are internet friendly or not. The process is pretty clear. Firstly, you're required to download the Meesho app. Second, register yourself as a new reseller with your contact number. You don't have to do any other formality. Third, after that, you will see various categories like menswear, women's wear, home decor, etc. Fourth, then share the product or product catalog link to your WhatsApp group. Fifth, once you receive your first order, you have to put that particular clothing item in the cart. Then you have to select the size and color of the products. So make sure whenever you take your order, please ask the size for the specification and take the address, payment way and place the order. Sixth, and while placing the order, you can decide your profit margin out of this total price of the product. That's it for today. If you like our work, please first of all subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and share our videos with your friends, family and everyone who wants to learn about social media, content marketing, copywriting, SEO and more. Also tell us in the comment section which brand's case study you want us to cover next. Thank you for watching.